Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few how by improving your website you can get more exposure, outrank your competition, and of course, get more clients. So let's start here. Have your website pull up, and besides looking really nice aesthetically, my recommendation here would be that you need to add more content. And by content, it's not just images, but more wording. You add more relevant content, for your chances for getting up on the Google searches can increase a lot. So that'll be one of the things. The other thing, I'm not sure if I checked this, but you need to optimize this image. So for example, this right here, home one, you might want to change that to a keyword or something relevant on what you do. And that applies to all the images that you have here as well. Also, content, when you add relevant content, it has to include the keywords that I'll be showing you in a few seconds. But it not only applies to the homepage, but applies also here. So, for example, services you got, roof repair, same. I see they have a little bit of content here, but again, we can only check that if we look at the back end of your website. So you're being found for 120 keywords. This is bringing you roughly 72 visits to your website. You have 126 backlinks. And what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that I mentioned in your website, and this will give you power so you can be found on Google more easily. Keep in mind that not every link is the same, so not they're not created equal. So it doesn't matter if you have hundreds or thousands of links. Uh, they're not powerful if they're not relevant, and most important, they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for. These numbers will stay the same, and you're not going to be ranking those first pages of Google. So let's take a look on the and see the keywords that you're being found for. Luna Roofing. This is your business name, so your position number 2 for that one. Luna Roofing Siding. Your position number 1. But something relevant, for example, Tractor Milltown, New York, or something Roofing, New York. Yeah. This one I believe might be Milltown, New York. There's around 100 searches a month, and guys, I actually run the second page of that for this specific keyword. We can easily see that when you type this in Google, you're gonna find this that is sponsored by Google. Of course, you pay to be there. Then you have the traditional Google Ads. This is when you pay every time somebody clicks on it. If it's not done properly, you're not gonna get the result that you need. Next, we have the map section, and then the organic results. So here in the map section, this is somewhere that you should be. That your Google My Business profile should be ranking at these top three. Is very important. If your profile is not optimized, um, you're not going to be here. Also, it depends on the ranking that you have on the organic results. So you can see here that you're not in this first space, so you might be missing a lot of opportunities from volume search. Let's take a look and see why these guys are ranking on the website. Um, we can see that they seem to be having a little more of content, maybe doing just enough for them to be ranking number. It might be the same thing on this page. For example, services, see roofing services, what they have. And yeah, this content might be a little bit more well elaborated. This is something that helps the page overall to be ranking. If we look on the back end of their website, you can see that they don't have that much running here. So it means that the little they're doing is actually working for them. They're being found for 356 keywords. And this is bringing uh, visits to their website a month. So this is a large number compared to yours. We can see here that even though you have these numbers a little bit higher than them, this may be the problem. They'll not be ranking how it's supposed to be doing. And again, 120 keywords. So uh, let's take a look and see the keywords that are being found for. Of course, Roofer Middleton, one. And this seems something that they've been working on previously because they've been on position number one for quite a long time. You can see that from these 100 searches, 36 are going straight to them. So this is something that you can take advantage of. Again, I don't want to take too much of your time, so to recap really quick, if you want to improve all this, make sure that content needs to be relevant. It cannot be just based because Google will notice right away. Make sure you're targeting the correct keywords, the keywords that you want to be found for, depending on the area that you want to target, and backlinks. If somebody is doing this for you, just gotta make sure that they're good quality links and they're targeting the keyword to be found for. If you have any questions, our information will be attached to the email. Call us or send us an email, and I hope to hear from you soon.